guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to do a problem on mechanics of materials. We're going to calculate the elongation of a bar subjected to a force. This is a very common FE question, guys, so make sure you get it. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Oh yeah, everybody now. Okay guys, so before we start, just so you guys know that the elongation should be very small number. So usually we have to apply a much larger force for us to see larger elongation. But for most of these type of problems that you see in the FE exam, just keep in mind that your elongation number should be small. If you get something bigger, probably you did something wrong with the units conversion. Also, make sure you guys watch to the end of this video because I'm going to show you guys some conversion units which are very important for the FE exam. Okay guys, so we are giving aluminium bar has a cross-section area of 6 centimeters by 6. The modulus of elasticity is 69 gigapascal. The yield strength in tension is 240 megapascal. We want to calculate the elongation of the aluminium bar when loaded to its yield point. As you guys can see, we were giving the length, there's the force there applied, and we want to find the elongation, meaning this force is going to cause this bar to move, right? To move slightly here, to this point, for example. Might not be that much, but just so you guys can see. And so this is what we're trying to look for, this deformation. How much this bar is going to move when it is subjected to this force, right? This is a very common FE question, guys. So whenever you see deformation, elongation, these terms, always think of this equation here, okay? So this is the equation we're going to use. It's on page 84 on the under the section of mechanics of materials. So let's write the equation down and identify what each term is. Okay guys, so we have P, that's the force, L, that's your length, A is your area, and then E is your modulus of elasticity or Young's modulus. Those are the same thing. Now, in this problem, we were not giving P, right? We were giving the area, but we were giving the yield strength. So the yield strength, which is another way of saying stress. So, but if you guys remember, stress is equal to P over A. It's even giving to you here as well. Stress is equals to P over A. So instead of in the test or trying to calculate for P, because we are giving the stress, which is the yield strength, so we have the yield strength, instead of calculating P and then doing P over A, we can just substitute this by the yield strength, just to save a little bit of time, right? So stress times L over E. So we can rewrite this equation this way, and now all we gotta do is plug in the numbers. The only thing though, guys, when you're using this equation, just be careful with the units, because a lot of times your stress and your Young's modulus, the units are slightly different. You guys will see here how we're going to do it. So I just want you guys to remember that, okay? So yeah, just make sure all your units cancel. So now stress is equal to 240 megapascal. So let's write that down. And remember guys, megapascal is newtons per meter squared, right? That's the units for Pascal. Megapascal would be meganewtons per meter squared, okay? So, and then we're going to multiply this by 4 meters. So notice here we have meters, and then this has meters. So we're good. We don't need to convert anything so far. And we're going to divide it by E. E was giving at 69 gigapascal. And so this is where it becomes a little bit tricky. This here is in megapascal, and this is in gigapascal. So make sure you guys convert one of them to the other one, so that way it cancels. And when it cancels, you're gonna be left with meters, which makes sense, right? Because if I'm trying to find deformation or how much this moved, I have to have a unit of a length, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply this by 10 to the power of 3 to get megapascal, okay? So I'm just going to quick review with you guys. So when you want to go from megapascal to pascal, you do 10 times to the power of 6, right? If you want to do gigapascal to pascal, that's 10 to the power of 9. And then if you want to do gigapascal to megapascal, you do 10 to the power of 3. So just make sure you guys remember that. Okay, so now that all my units cancel, so if you plug in this, you're going to get 0.014 meters. So that's going to be your answer, which is answer A. Yeah, so I'll see you guys on the next clip. Okay guys, so that'll be it for today. On the next video, we're going to do a problem on structural analysis. We're going to determine if a frame is stable or unstable, or determine it. So make sure you guys hit the bell so you get notified when I release the video. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you soon. À la prochaine. Oh yeah, everybody now.